back into the garage and time to finish this one. So yeah, let's go. Kicking and I have no reaction here, so that's the first thing I saw. And the second one is that the gears, they are not switching properly. So now I'm gonna take a coffee and later on I'm gonna check that. So this one now. Now is in place. This one was pulling out every time because here is fixed, but the clip there was getting loose, so I changed it, so that's good. And then the next thing was that every time I kick, this one turns himself and doesn't turn like this. So and it was because the housing actually wasn't properly placed. Like it was holding in one of the springs wasn't in the proper place, we can say, yeah. So I took everything apart, I checked it, and then I saw it like, hey, wait, this one was actually a little bit like holding in one of those points here. But now it's good, it's ready to go. So yeah, let's put it back together. And now I'm gonna jump and do the valve tolerance, so the adjustment here. So yeah. Somebody put here a lot of glue and looked at, and they put it like, and they leave it like that. I was putting this one, and I feel like it's not getting tight, so I put a normal one, and I just saw how this one was coming out. I was like, okay, so yeah, I took it out. Now I clean it, it's ready to put back, but I have no helico anymore, so tomorrow I'm gonna try to find one here in the neighborhood, and otherwise I will need to order via internet, so hopefully I can find it tomorrow. Next thing to do on this one now is to check the timing, put the timer already fixed for the owner, and then I will be done here. So yeah, pretty happy finally. Oh my god, yeah, because I'm really looking forward to start with the 5T, so yeah. Let's do this, come on. Put some light here and just check it, that is exactly like it should. Right now it's okay, but with the light it's more precise. And 2 new spark plugs I need to buy tomorrow, and the helico, and then I can say that I'm done with this one. So yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start with the 5T, and Marianne is gonna come over and finish her work there. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. This is ropes Harley, and we just check the pressure. In the pressure, compression, and yeah, now you're gonna see we're gonna do it again. Auto. dat is 1. So that's 1, and now ping, ping, ping. So perfect, good to go. Yeah. So next thing to do tomorrow, just put some oil, make it run, like turn it a few times so it pumps oil in all the system, and then I'm done with it. So let's go home. Left one is pretty good, but the right one is not, and I checked the clearance a few times, so maybe one of the valves was open, I don't know. So yeah, I did that, and still it's giving me a low pressure, so I think that one of the valves is not closing properly. So I need to open the engine again and check it out. Yeah. He's gonna work on his bike. Say hi.
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 Oh, daar zijn maar van die muziek, ja. Dat beter.
Just put it on, and I hear it like click, and I'm that's not good. I check it, and I say, yeah, I think it was a crack, and then yeah, that's it. So time to have a new one. I'm gonna try to find one now. So let's see. Next thing to do, I need to drill this hole a little bit bigger, like 1 millimeter bigger, and then I can put everything back together. Yeah, now we're talking. Zo, heb jij mij gemist?
Ontzettend.
So, yeah, early in the morning. Nina. En Frits? Kijk hem aan. Waar vond je van?
Waarvan?
Van die motor?
Deze.
This is my apprentice. So this is Sam with a couple of...